30 years after his religious conversion, Cat Stevens is back! Except now he's got a funny new name, Yusuf Islam. But don't let the name change fool you. He's the same old cat.
If you like to jihad, then jihad. Go ahead and strap on a bomb. 'Cause there's a billion infidels who blow up a car.
You'll get father and son who blow themselves up, tea for the Taliban, and this.
Martyrs get virgins, so blow yourself up. You'll break some hymens up in the clouds. Piece of a train flying by me. Somebody blew up the subway. Aye, 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 aye. Death to the USA.
You'll also get this interesting duet between Cat and Osama bin Laden.
George W. Bush is the great Satan. Great Satan, great Satan. He's never loving, he's always hating. Great Satan, great Satan.
Order Yusuf Islam Sings Children's Songs now.
Ooh, baby, death to America.